Let's take a look at this exercise here where we are asked to complete the rainbow text here. We have got the first 3 lines of text. Obviously, if we try to run it, we have a problem with filling in the blank spaces. So let's go through and do that. First thing we're going to put in there is the name of the module, which is like the shop that we're grabbing our code from. And the module we are using here is goodies. And we are going to be importing the color code, because that's the code that we're using further down in our program here. So if we run that now, we'll get the first 3 lines of the rainbow being displayed. Let's go through and show how we can do the next 2 colors. So a green one and a cyan one. So the green one has been pushed in an extra 2 spaces. So what we're going to do here is go to the next line of code, and we're just kind of doing the same thing. We're going to be displaying the text in green. And if we just put rainbow here like this, we'll just see the rainbow being displayed, pushed up against the left-hand side. We needed to have it another 2 spaces after the rainbow, the yellow rainbow. So here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy those spaces, paste it in front of the green. So if I run that now, it should be displayed in line. And then I'm just going to add another 2 spaces. And now I have my rainbow being pushed in. And the next one is the cyan one. So the cyan one looks exactly like the yellow one. So I'm just going to copy that line of code and run that. And then we'll see the yellow being shown again. But in this case, instead of it being yellow, it is going to be cyan. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so that's how I do the next 2 lines of code. You can use the same pattern to complete the exercise there.